Hi there, this is the RealMe 2. Well, this phone has created quite a stir in the market, especially because of its aggressive pricing. I got this from Flipkart for 9,000 Indian rupees. This is a 3GB RAM, 32GB variant, and this is a sub-brand, budget brand from Oppo, which they call RealMe. This is the second phone from RealMe, as the name suggests. So in this video, we're going to do an unboxing and a hands-on overview of the RealMe 2. So continue watching. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the RealMe 2 box. So it has the 2 written here, the RealMe branding right on the front. It's clean and white. Okay. Have a transparent case here, which is quite good. Let's keep this on the side. And we have some paperwork, specifications, quick start guide. Okay. Okay. So let's keep this on the side and see what's in the box. Wow, that's a really big charging brick. It has the Oppo branding with the USB-A port. And it's a 5 watt by 2 amperes, so it seems to not support fast charging. So here's the charging cable, which is USB to micro USB, so no USB-C port here. Oh, that is one beauty. So it's actually plastic. It gives like a diamond kind of a design. They had the same even in the RealMe 1. And there's a fingerprint scanner. Alright, let's have a closer look. So here we have the camera and the sensors and the earphone. On the bottom you have the 3.5mm audio jack. You have the micro USB for charging. You have the speaker and the mic. What do we have on this side? Okay, that's the power button on the right side. On the top is plain. Here we have the mic, the SIM card tray. We'll open it up and check it. Here is the volume up and down, and on the back we have a dual camera setup, which is a 13 and a 2 megapixel. 2 megapixel will create the bokeh effect, and we have a nice flushed fingerprint scanner. It's not down, it's not up, it's at the same level, so that's good. And there's a flash. So let's open up the SIM tray and see what is the SIM configuration. Oh, so great, you can put 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card also along with it. So 2 dedicated nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. Let's turn it on and see. So it has the RealMe branding, powered by Android. Meanwhile, let's check out the specifications of the RealMe 2. Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor with 1.8 GHz clock speed, 3GB RAM with 32GB ROM, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera, 8 megapixel front camera, and fingerprint scanner. So the setup is complete. So it has all the Google apps that come pre-installed. That is the Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube Drive. So that's good. So if you pull it from this side or from this side, doesn't matter. It's a color OS, which they actually use for most of the Oppo phones, for all of the Oppo phones actually. So it's not that bad. Okay, so let's go into the settings. You have airplane mode, wireless, notification, status bar, software updates. So we're not going to software updates, we're going to about phone, and let's see what the phone is running. So RealMe 2 model 0.5 Android 8.1, which is Android Oreo, that is great. It's coming with the latest version. Then what else does it say? So it's a Qualcomm 450 octa-core. That's not a great processor, but it's not that bad either. It's great for day-to-day use. I will be doing a full review and we'll see about it. Device storage is 21.4, available 32 GB, and that's it. So right now no SIM card is in here. Let's quickly test the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock. So I've set the Face ID on this now. Let's see how effective it is and how fast it is. Locked it, raise, and it unlocks. It unlocks almost instantaneously. Let's lock it again and you raise. It takes about a second or so, but it's quite fast. Let's try it one more time. It's quite fast actually. Now frankly, I'm not sure if this is as secure as a Face ID is. It won't be actually. It's just using the camera, it's using a picture which can be faked. But there is an option where you can set that if your eyes are closed, it won't open. Let's test that as well. So I have selected yes, that if eyes are closed, it will not unlock the phone. So I am locking the phone now and I'm closing my eyes. And it didn't open. Wow, that's actually quite good. So, and there it is. So it's time to check the fingerprint scanner. Let's see how fast it is, how efficient it is. So the phone is locked now and I'm going to keep my finger on the fingerprint scanner. 1, 2, 3. And it's quite fast actually. It's really fast. Actually, when a fingerprint scanner unlocks the phone and there's no animation, it's actually quite fast. I'm sure the fingerprint scanner is definitely more dependable than the face unlock feature. So let's check out the camera interface. Okay, this looks so much like an iPhone. Now we have the portrait mode obviously because we have two lenses behind. It's a dual lens setup. We have stickers which you can use for your Instagram. We have panorama. So the rear camera is a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel for the bokeh effect. We have the video option and it shows 1080p, 720, 1080. So I don't see 4K in it, so don't think it supports 4K. Then you have time lapse, video, photo. You have the front camera and there I am. Hi, and the front camera is an 8 megapixel camera. So I'll be posting some pictures, sample pictures that I'm going to take. Let's see how it comes out. Let's take these. Okay. Oh, they have HDR also. Oh, it has auto HDR. That is really good. Okay, they have a 2x zoom. Seems good. So I don't know how well can it capture exposure. So let's see. So is it worth buying a RealMe 2? Well, for 9,000 rupees, you get a notch design, you get a dual camera, you get a fingerprint scanner, you get a face unlock, you get a 4230 mAh battery that should last for 2 days at least. And I'll be doing a full review on this with games, with more applications. So stay subscribed to my channel to see that review video that is coming soon. Also, there is one more problem, that this phone is still selling on flash sales on Flipkart, which is a huge hurdle. So please Oppo, try to sell this at the stores and try to get this in as much stock as possible because people really want this phone. And all you guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until next time, cheers.